Good morning. It's January 27th, 2025, and we have an exciting episode for you. And unfortunately for the Chan Man and Sue, exciting episodes to the folks that watch our channel is when we're getting it fixed. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Now you can see that So you can see that we're in a really nice resort. And the last thing I want to do when I need to have work done on this thing is pull Myles out, disconnect all the sewer pipes, and take off. So that's why this is one of the first times in my career of RVing after 7.5 years that I'm having a tech come out here.